Hey, stop. I want to share my awesome town with you in Alaska. I live in Eagle River, Alaska, and it's an extraordinary little place that we really love. And I thought a neighborly thing I could do for all the people who pass through, because we have military and jobs and tourism and so many other things that bring people to and then away from Eagle River. I thought a neighborly thing I could do is share with you some of my favorite people and places and things that we have going on here in Eagle River. And I have some ideas of what I want to share, but I'm not exactly sure, if you're doing research right now, what it is you want to see. And so I thought I'd just throw this out there. Why don't you leave me a comment? Leave me a like, a subscribe, and tell me what it is you want to see about Eagle River. Ideas that I have include my favorite restaurants, coffee shops, my favorite service providers. There's some people around here that do a really good job at different things. Some neighbors, some places like parks and hiking trails and lakes and things like that. But why don't you take a minute and leave me a comment, and I'll be sure to reply. I'm no YouTube bigwig, and I would love to hear what it is that you're wanting to see from our little town here. Thank you. That's all. Have a great one. Subscribe if you want to follow along and see what I share.